All right, you've probably heard of a milk run trade. I've mentioned it before. Well, today was a perfect example, so I want to go over that with you today. Stay tuned. $300 positive on just this trade alone, and it was a walk in the park. So come on in. Let me show you what we got today. Hello everybody. All right, so we went into a nice 6B, 6E trade here short. This is a really fascinating prediction here. We've got a down move predicted all the way from, well, it started here about 8 o'clock. So we saw the spread history was above the midline here for a short while, and then it proceeds downward. So this is our prediction going forward. We see more downside really all the way to the end of the day. And this is based on 15 days of history. So what I did is I went short. You can see my short entry. It went right here, right as we poked to a new high. I went short right on a break above that high there, and I took a very little amount of heat. Prices went down to the midline. Now the midline here, the equilibrium line, is a good target, and you can see it definitely held here today. For a short while. It was about 80 bucks in profit at this point, but I was holding on for a further target. I saw the downside expected to move, so I'm holding on here for a target that's about 178 bucks below the current price, and it's just inside the volatility bands for that area, so I'm holding on for that. We did bounce off I actually had 3 touches of the midline, bounced off right up back until my entry level, and considered going short here again because I just had the prediction, but I didn't, and we see now we're in a good downfall here, 231 positive on this trade alone, and this is just with one spread. So I had an opportunity to get out here, here, and here. I held on, and we're seeing, and we got some cycle action coming in here. We're getting near the low of the move. Now we're kind of expected a little bit of an upward drift. So it's not moving as fast downward as I had hoped, but it definitely has done well. I'm going to move my target. Let's move it up to this level. See if we can hit that. I'm going to put in a stop loss here. I'll switch this over to a buy level. So now we have a stop loss that's well in profit, about 70, 80 bucks in profit. Target that's $60 away, and let's see what we can hit. Hopefully we'll get to our destination. All right, well, hey, good news there, right? We just got hit with our target. So we're out. This was again the 6B, 6E spread. So we had gone short, which means you go short the 6B and you go long the 6E. And good news, we followed our prediction pretty well. I moved my target up there a little bit because we were bottoming out in the prediction. Now this prediction is a historical average of the spread in location and relation to the equilibrium line. So, the spread history is not authoritative. It just gives us an idea, gives us a bias to say typically the spread is below the equilibrium line at this time of day, and past performance is no indication of future results. But we do base our decisions on indicators and statistics, and this is what we're presented with here with BOSA. And today we had a good trade. We came out on a winner. So I was up 530 from another trade. So right now we're up another $300 from just from this trade here. So all done for the day. So thank you so much for tuning in. Please let me know if you have any questions. Love to hear from you. And until then, have a great day and good trading.